Hey watercolor wizards, Hajra here. Today we'll be doing a quick and creative art project for beginners. So here's how to draw an owl. Step 1, draw 2 circles. Step 2, just draw the rest of the darned owl. Yep, that's all it takes. I'll do it one more time in case you don't like your owls in a pirate costume. I know that might throw a beginner off. So again, step 1, draw 2 circles. You really don't have to be very precious. Step 2, just draw the rest of the darned owl. It's all you need to know, works every time, just finishing up this nice bird. So now that you know how to draw owls like a pro, thanks for perking your brushes here and wishing you epic art adventures.